Hello everybody. So today we are going to discuss one more topic, a very simple topic, that is what editor should we use for HTML and how to save, how to start everything. So first of all, use of editor. Basically we can use Notepad. Also we can use Notepad Plus. There are many other editors like NetBeans, Bluefish, etc. But we will see first Notepad. So again today we can start with some one activity. What is actually Notepad or what is Notepad Plus? See here, if we see the editor, if we see the editor of Notepad, it is very simple and we all are very much familiar with this type of editor, this editor that is Notepad. The very basic 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 menu are here, out of which file, some submenus, edit, some submenus. So and formatting, very basic formatting options are here. So this is Notepad. This is font, bold, italic, size, style, and etc. These few points you will get here in formatting. Now if you write something in Notepad like HTML, close, head, close, title, close, test of editor. Okay, body, this is Notepad. So if we write the program over here, no issue, we can write, but at the same time we will see the file how it is working. But before that, if we go for Notepad Plus, we can write the file here. So better I am taking this from here, I am taking a copy of it and I'm going to press it over here. So this is not much difference, but there are some extra features like you can get the line number, you will get some tag relation like HTML to HTML head. So if you save the file, you can understand it better. I'm saving it. Here, test plus, and .html. So if I save the file, you can see this. If I save the file, the different color helping me to understand the difference between tag, body, and the tag which is body, which is tag, which is title, etc. And that is why see, just I changed this it was the small letter in first the first alphabet was small letter, so I changed it because it is very clearly visible. And this text, yes, this is HTML, so this concept is also head. If I close, so head portion, if I close body, so body portion. So this menu concept also we can get over here, but this type of facility will not get in this notepad. If you save the file, it will come with the same concept, test note html. Okay, now if we save this file in two way. One is test plus, and what is test note. Test note is based on notepad program. So if I execute the program, I can get the output over here, hello, this is notepad. But if I execute this program, so to execute this program I must change over here something, notepad plus, okay, and save it. So if I've created this program using Notepad plus and just I changed it using Notepad only, but it is showing hello, this is Notepad plus. So from both the editor I am getting same output. There is no difference from output part, but difference is here for the programmer. It is very simple. Those who have good idea about programming, they can obviously use this notepad. But if you are a very beginner, so then it is good to use then it is good to use then it is good to use Notepad plus. Now from here I want to say one more thing, how to save. So I think Notepad and Notepad plus is clear now. Now I want to show what is the concept of file saving. So I am creating a new file, and here I am just copying the topic from here. Okay, in Notepad plus, if I save, before save the file, everything is with same color like Notepad, but as and when you are clicking on save button, here two things is there. First of all, after save we will see the effect, but before save I must save the file. How to save the file, with what extension, that we will see here, like test save dot html, or you can say htm, anything. So I use always html, the full form. So this dot html extension actually helps the machine to understand that it is one HTML file. Okay, and just click on save. After, you can choose the location of the file. So I already chosen the location, and the location is this. So with dot html extension I am going to click on the save button, and once I save the button, it automatically changes the name from new to testsave.html. Here you can see the file name is changed to testsave, and this is now whatever change I am doing, this is another file to show the saving option of HTML with dot HTML extension. Okay, but here I must use one new tag, that is here. We'll discuss this beer tag later, but beer tag helps to break the line. Okay, so again I have to click on the save button, and if I can also run it from here, run F5, the shortcut key F5 you can use, or you can click here. Okay, so Here you have to choose the browser, which browser you want to use. Oh, sorry, this is not working. I have to choose this internet. The path I have to provide the set first, then it will work. So now I can directly use this test save and open with Internet Explorer. So now it's working fine. Okay, so now it's working properly. Here actually in Notepad++ I need to save the path from this under this run, then it will work. Now from Notepad also, if you want to save it, create a new file, write something, the extension of HTML to save is .html or .htm. ठीक है. Now click on save and again you save this test, save notepad.html, and I must check this program also tested notepad. Open with, yeah, this is also coming with .html or htm. So this is the concept of editor choice. Now we'll go for next part. So I think it's clear now. Other than that, NetBeans, Bluefish, these are also available option for to use for Notepad HTML program. Now how to save also I think clear. You need to use the file extension .html. We following your file name, whatever file name you want to provide, and you save it as per your desired location. So this is up to here. Thank you.